Hi everyone, let's go ahead and walk through how to use our social media asset builder to turn reviews into social media posts. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account and then navigate to the Reputation Marketing section on the left. Then click the Create Custom Asset tab at the top. You will notice that there are actually two social media asset builders. The first is for endorsements and the second is for reviews. The process is the same, so today I will be using the Single Social Review tool, but just know that if you are using the Single Social Endorsement tool, you will follow the same steps. Okay, go ahead and click Choose Review, and you will see a list of all your reviews. You can use the filters on the right to filter by star rating, or you can scroll through, find the review you would like to use, and click Select. You have 300 characters to use from this review, so highlight the text that you would like to include in the asset. Once all the text you would like to include is highlighted, click on the Next button. The first thing I want to point out here is the size feature. This tool is specifically meant for posts on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. The dimensions are preset, so you just have to toggle between the three sizes. You can also choose between a light and dark theme by toggling between the two buttons. You can also choose an image to include with your review in the asset. Just go ahead and click Choose File, choose an image from your files, and then open it. You can use the image size slider to make the image larger or smaller. I also want to point out that you can still toggle between sizes, so if we want this to be for Twitter or Facebook instead, you'll notice that the image switches from the top to the side. You can also change the background color. If you click on the color swatch, you can use that circle to choose whichever color you would like. If you have specific branding guidelines, you can use the two arrows at the bottom to toggle between different color codes to get that exact color that you want. You can also use the eyedropper tool to hover over the image and choose the color that you would like so that the background matches the image. If you ever want to remove the image and just have the review by itself, you can click the trash can icon. Okay, now I'm just going to mess around with this for a second until I like the way it looks. Okay, once the asset looks just how you want it to, you can click the Download PNG button at the very bottom. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck using our social media asset builder to turn your reviews into social media posts.